So these are the precautions that DMPS at the Transportation Bus Barn are taking to ensure the safety of each rider on our buses, along with the drivers and staff that may be on the bus with them. Face masks will be required and provided by the district for drivers. We have our disinfectant totes, and then we will walk you through on how we disinfect a bus from front to back and disinfect the driver's area where they'll have contact points throughout the day. So in each tote we will have installed in each bus, you have your essential items, your hand sanitizing wipes, which we use to wipe down the dash and touch points for the driver. This peroxide cleaner that we spray down the entire bus with. Kleenexes, paper towels, and then they'll have a bottle of glass cleaner. When they do spray the windows on the side, it does leave a little bit of film when it dries. So they use that glass cleaner to clean it off so they can see through for safety. And then once they come in, they'll also have their extra mask in there too. All right, so to disinfect the bus, we have our sprayers that are handheld. We pump them up to build pressure in them with our chemicals. This has about a 2-minute kill rate time, so within 2 minutes it should dry up and disinfect all germs. And as he enters the bus, he'll hit all contact points that anybody will come into contact with. So steps, handrails, anything that they might put their hands on here. And as he works his way onto the bus, he'll go ahead and hit all step areas, anywhere the driver might touch up here. We'll come back through and wipe down the dash area with the wipes. And as he works his way through the bus, he'll hit all barriers and seats, tops, bottoms, front and back. Once he gets to the back of the bus, he'll make sure he hits the back door, and on the way back through, he'll spray all walls. Kids will be instructed to lean against the walls as to social distance, so they need to sit towards the wall area. So that'll be another contact point. And as he finishes up and gets to the front of the bus, he'll take a couple wipes and wipe down the dash area. So as you can see, anywhere the driver might contact frequently during the day and breathe on, he will get wiped down and disinfected. Drivers are required to wear masks, and riders will be required to wear masks also. As you can see, it doesn't take too long to finish a bus, and it goes a long ways as far as protecting everybody. And just like that, the bus should be disinfected from front to back. All touch points have been cleaned.